Hello, Nin hao, konnichiwa, bonjour, hola, ciao, marhaban. I have just greeted in 7 different languages. Do you want to speak any language that you are interested to learn? Watch this video till the end. I have got a secret strategy. Today I am going to demonstrate another plugin from ChatGPT. The name of the plugin is Speak. Using this plugin, you can get help to speak any language and crack any conversation. So for example, if I'm going to a French hotel and the food server does not speak English, so how would I order the food? Let's ask this plugin. Now the plugin is working on the scenario. I'm going to dine in a French hotel and I have to order the food in French. So how would the conversation go on? Now this only generates a few dialogues for us in that particular language. But if we do not know how to pronounce it, we can simply copy this and Google it. Here you can listen to it,
Garçon,
garçon, and it would tell you that this is the pronunciation of the word. And then you can practice it and make improvements in your communication skill. So here's another example where I have changed the question a bit and I have asked that how would I interact with the food server? How would I greet and call the food server in a French hotel? And this is what it tells me with complete sentences as well as its translation. Now this is something more particular and more easy to relate with and easy to understand in fact. So we can totally take this full sentence and Google it and then practice it. Here I have asked explain the usage of the enabled plugin Speak. So how do we get maximum benefit out of this plugin? It helps us in 3 ways. Number 1, translate. Number 2, explain any phrase. Number 3, it will explain the task. So what we did here was actually explain task. We can also get help to explain a phrase or a simple translation would also do. That's how we can get benefit from it. So go on, take advantage of this plugin, learn the basic communication in any language. Maybe you are visiting somewhere next week or maybe next month. So you would know where to practice your communication skills. It's right here inside ChatGPT using this plugin called Speak. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and I'll see you in another video. See you until next time. Take care.